Hello students. Now today we will start with another next unit from our syllabus, that is time based generators. Actually this is the unit 4th from our paper. These are the actually notes I have got. So I have just make the PDF of that one and send to you, and same I will be use for your periods. Now today we will just see the introduction of the what is the time based generator, what is the meaning of that, what is the definition, what are the classifications of the based generators, what are their applications. Now some part of this some part of these notes will be not including your syllabus, but we'll take the what is the important one from the syllabus point of view, that we will study only. Okay. आता या नोट्समध्ये बराचसा पार्ट जो असा असेल की तुमच्या सिलेबस नसेल, पण फक्त आपल्याला जेवढं आवश्यक आहे तेवढं आपण याच्यातून स्टडी करू. ओके. नाउ the definition of time based generator. It is an electronic circuit which generates an output voltage or current waveform, a portion of which varies linearly with the time. आता naturally the name, what is the name of this article, is time based circuits. It relates with the time definitely. So हे अशा प्रकारचं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट किंवा नेटवर्क असतं. इट इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट that will generate an output voltage or current waveform. Output voltage किंवा current waveform it will produce, and portion of which varies linearly with the time. So they are known as the time based generator circuit. It is an electronic circuit or electronic network which will generate or which will produce an output waveform of voltage or current, whatever it may be, and a portion of which varies linearly with the time. That type of circuit or that type of electronic network is known as the time based generator. Now there are two types of, or it is classified into two types. Broadly it is classified into two types, that is, one is voltage time based generator and the current time based generator. Now what is the definition already given? That is, it is the circuit which will generate the voltage waveform or current waveform. So in the definition itself it was given that it has two types of time based generator. It is the definition आहे. त्या डेफिनेशनमध्येच काय दिलेलं आहे की इट इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट विच विल जनरेट द output voltage waveform oblique current waveform. That means it has both the waveforms. So definitely it has two types of generators. त्याच्यामध्ये दिलेलं आपल्याला टाइम बेस्ड जनरेटरच्या डेफिनेशनमध्ये दिलेलं आहे की हे जे सर्किट आहे हे दोन्ही प्रकारचे वेवफॉर्म तयार करतं, व्होल्टेज वेवफॉर्म आणि करंट वेवफॉर्म, विच विल लिनियरली चेंज विथ द टाइम. ओके. So broadly it is classified into two types, that is voltage time based generator and current time based generator. बरोबर आहे. In the definition itself given that the electronic circuit which generates an output voltage or output current waveform, and the portion of which vary linearly with time. So depending on that, it is broadly classified into two types, that is voltage time based generator and current time based generator. Now what is voltage time based generator? Well, this is the definition of that one. A voltage time based generator is one that provides an output voltage waveform, a portion of which exhibit a linear variation with respect to time. Very simple. सुरुवातीला आपण काय बघितलं, टाइम बेस्ड जनरेटर म्हणजे काय, त्यानंतर जे प्रकार बघितले. बरोबर आहे. मग त्या प्रकारामध्ये पहिलं कोणतं आहे आपलं की व्होल्टेज टाइम बेस आणि करंट टाइम बेस, दोन वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहे. व्होल्टेज टाइम बेस्ड जनरेटर इज वन, म्हणजे अशा प्रकारचं व्होल्टेज टाइम बेस्ड जनरेटर किंवा अशा प्रकारचं जनरेटर किंवा अशा प्रकारचं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट, वन दॅट प्रोव्हाइड्स an output voltage waveform, and it will provide an output voltage waveform, a portion of which exhibits a linear variation with respect to time. So that electronic circuit or that electronic network is known as the voltage time based generator. Same way for current time based generator. Similarly technically current time based generator, it is the circuit or electronic network that provides an output current waveform. फक्त वरच्या डेफिनेशनमध्ये काय फरक केला आपण, व्होल्टेज टाइम बेस्ड जनरेटरमध्ये काय, a voltage time based generator, or it is the electronic circuit one that provides an output voltage waveform, and the portion of which exhibits a linear variation with respect to time. करंटमध्ये काय केलं आपण, इट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट और नेटवर्क विच प्रोवाइड्स एन आउटपुट करंट वेवफॉर्म, a portion of which exhibits a linear variation with respect to time. Only we are changing the terms. Voltage time-based generator means what? A voltage time-based generator is one that provides an output voltage waveform, a portion of which exhibits a linear variation with respect to time. Same is for the current time-based generator. It is the one of the circuit or electronic circuit that provides an output current waveform and portion of which exhibits a linear variation with respect to time. So very simple, म्हणजे लक्षात ठेवायला they are very easy to remember. So briefly we can just summarize these 2 points, that is an electronic circuit which will generate an voltage or current waveform which is changing linearly with the time, that is known as time-based generator. Now if that circuit provides the voltage waveform which is changing linearly with time, it is the voltage time-based generator. If that circuit is providing the current waveform which is changing linearly with the time, it is known as the current time-based generator. And so there are the two types of time-based generator, that is voltage time-based generator and the current time-based generator. Okay, so this is the introductory part of the time-based generators. Now we can just see, ideally the waveform of the output should be a ramp. नंतर बघू आपण. Ideally the waveform of the output should be a ramp. हा जो पॉईंट नंतर येणार आहे आपल्याला. Now we just see briefly the applications of the time-based generator. म्हणजे हे जे ॲप्लिकेशन आहे त्याच्या उपयोग, हे time-based generator कुठं कुठं वापरतात, कुठल्या ठिकाणी याचा उपयोग होतो. सो इन द मेनली बेसिकली इन द CRO, कॅथेड रे ऑसिलोस्कोप, जे आपण वेवफॉर्म बघण्याकरता लॅबमध्ये बघतो, कॅथोड रे ऑसिलोस्कोप्स, इन टेलिव्हिजन, इन रडार डिस्प्लेज, इन प्रॅक्टिस टाइम मेजरमेंट, in precise time measurement, in the time modulation. The most important application of the time generator is in CRO. जे आपण लॅबमध्ये जे मॅक्झिमम CROचा वापर करतो वेवफॉर्म स्टडी करण्याकरता, कुठल्याही सर्किटचा, ॲम्प्लिफायर असेल, ऑसिलेटर असेल, त्याचे करंट व्होल्टेज मोजण्याकरता किंवा कुठल्याही मेजरमेंट घेण्याकरता तर आपण CRO वापर करतो. तर त्या CROमध्ये जनरली दे आर युजिंग द टाइम बेस्ड जनरेटर. Now to display the variation with respect to time of an arbitrary waveform on the screen of the oscilloscope, it is required to apply to one set of reflecting plates a voltage which varies linearly with time. Okay. Now these are the just applications, implementation of the application. जे उपयोग कसे करतात CRO मध्ये ते सांगितलं थोडक्यात. Now the general features of the time-based signal. What are the general features we can study? So that is below the figure A shows the typical waveform of the time-based voltage, sweep voltage. So this is the figure number A. Okay. The figure A shows the typical sweep voltage, typical waveform of a time-based voltage, sweep voltage. So this is हा जो डायग्राम आहे कशाचा आहे, स्वीप व्होल्टेज. आणि दुसरं काय, sawtooth voltage waveform B. Okay, it is seen that the voltage starting from an initial value V1 increases linearly. आता इथे दाखवले V1 बघा, it was shown here. So this is the V1. So it is seen that the voltage starting from an initial value V1 increases linearly with time to a maximum peak. So like the up to this. Sorry. So this V1 value reaches to the peak linearly with the time to maximum peak, after which it return again to this initial value, and after that it will returning to its initial value here. Again it will start increasing, again it will start decreasing to the initial value. Okay, so it is seen that the voltage starting from an initial value V1 increases linearly with time to a maximum peak value, after which it return again to its initial value V1 in a short period of time. The time taken by the waveform to reach the maximum value V2 starting from the initial value is called the sweep time, TS. The time taken by the waveform to reach the maximum value, what is the value maximum V2, E and E. So the time taken by the waveform to reach maximum value V2 starting from the initial value is called the sweep time. The time during which it returned to the initial value called as the return time or restoration time. Okay, this is TR. So in most cases, the waveform during restoration time and the restoration time itself are not of much consequence. However, in some cases, restoration time which is small compared with the sweep time is required in operation. Now, in the figure B, this is the about this sweep voltage. Now, figure B is shown here, sawtooth voltage waveform. This one is. So this is the sawtooth voltage waveform that will be shown here. Okay. So in the figure B, the waveform shown in figure A and figure B are called as the waveforms even when they are used to in the applications involving the reflection of electron beam. If the restoration time is almost 0, that TR equal to 0, and the linear voltage is initiated the movement, the present one is terminated, then a sawtooth waveform is generated. So that will be shown in the figure B here. Okay. What are the drawbacks of this? So in practice, the signal generated by the time-based circuits are not perfectly linear. Additionally, even if the signals are they suffer distortion when transmitted through the coupling network. The deviation of the signal from linearity is expressed by three types of errors: the sweep speed error, ADS, transmission error, and the displacement error. Now, what is the meaning of sweep error? That will be given here. Then what is the sweep error is given by what? Difference in the slope of the beginning and the end of sweep divided by the initial value of the slope. So ES equal to dV0 divided by dt with t equal to 0 minus dV0 by dt when t equal to Ts divided by dV0 by dt when t equal to 0. So where initial slope is at t equal to 0 and final slope is at t equal to Ts. Now you have to just keep in note that if a capacitor C is charged by constant current, the voltage across C will be Q by C, that is IT into C. So rate of change of voltage with time into IT divided by C divided by T. So speed error ES will be equal to I by C. Now another error is the transmission error ET. So that will be the again given by formula Vs dash minus Vs divided by Vs dash, that is input minus output upon input. And the displacement error will be given by Ed equal to Vs minus Vs dash divided by Vs, Ed equal to Vs minus Vs dash maximum divided by Vs. Now this is not included in the syllabus, so I just only read this article, that is types of errors. Now the methods of generating the time-based waveform, that we have to study. What are the waveform generating? Okay. In the time-based circuit, the sweep linearity is achieved from the with the help of the following methods. Okay. ये time based circuit है. In the time based circuit, sweep linearity is achieved by one of the following method. हे जे आपण टाइम बेस्ड सर्किट बघितले यातलं स्वीप लिनियरिटी जी आहे ती आपल्या कशामुळे होते? वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड, दॅट इज वन इज एक्सपोनेन्शियल चार्जिंग, another is constant current charging, and third is Miller circuit, then bootstrap circuit, exponential sweep circuit, like this. So all that we have to study one by one. So In the next period, we will just see the methods of generating the time-based waveform, which are included in our syllabus. Okay. Thank you.